Hey everyone, it's Kiri here, and I'm going to be showing you how to create good quality with two new keyframe effects. So those two are Clarify and HDR. So I'm going to show you how to create a really nice quality, and we are going to start with the Clarify keyframe. So the three main effects that Clarify has is denoise, sharpen, and decompose. So the two more important ones are denoise and sharpen. So as you can see, when you increase and decrease, it basically smoothens out the image or the main focus in the image. So if you see it's 100, the skin is really smooth. When you go down, it's a bit more of like a sharpen, which is what this effect does a lot better. It also smoothens it when it's low, and then when increased, it gives that more grainy look. So that kind of reveals more texture, which is a better quality look. So I like having denoise down and sharpen increased. Decompose doesn't do too much, but you can just play around with it to how you like. Now the other options are the masking, so you can choose if you want it to be focused in a certain spot. As you can see, it does focus on the face and then the rest is blurred out, or whether you want it angled in a certain direction. I do like masking it so it's just over a face and then the rest is blurred. So as you can see, I've put the radius down, so this is just all blurred, and that's what it looks like with the quality. So you can see it is a lot better than the original. And I'm just going to leave it so it's just on the face. So then we go to HDR. Increasing this adds a lot more texture and brightness to the image. So you wouldn't want it to be too bright, because then it looks a bit more not as great quality. So I'm just going to increase it around 20. And that's how you use good quality on Funimate. So you can play around with the settings to how you like. Change it to suit your edit or how you would like to make it. So I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.